I wanted to ask na nga kasi marami
Yes,
sa ating nanonood at nakikinig, hindi alam ano ba yung stem cell. Ano ang stem cell therapy? Paano yan nakakatulong? Kamukha nga dito, grabe, very severe itong kaso
dramatic,
ni
yeah.
Tito Sammy, talagang brain tumor and all that. We go down to the basics para lang they have a firmer grasp of what we're talking about.
Okay, ang stem cell therapy is a method of therapy where you regenerate, okay, new healthy cells, repair and rejuvenate and regenerate damaged cells. No, doon sa mga hindi nakakaintindi masyado, I like to put it in its proper perspective. For example, at birth, pinanganak ka, you have a lot of stem cells, almost 100% stem cells. And this will proceed to become bone cells, muscle cells, kaya tayo lumalaki. No? We grow taller. And typically, pag tayo ay nasugatan, for example, no, yung sugat natin, the body calls these stem cells to go to that wound. No? Now, stem cells act on it, nagkakaroon ng scarring. This is stem cells. No? Then, you have bone fractures. The body calls the stem cells to produce osteocytes or bone cells to repair the fracture. Muscle tears, okay? So, andun yun. This plays all the way until we age and age. And as you know, when we age, there are studies to show that at age 35 years old, we only have 50% of our stem cells.
Oh, 35.
35.
Age 35.
At age 60 years old, 90% of our stem cells are almost gone.
What? Sa akin yun. Ako, 61 na ako. Parang
So-
90% ng stem cells ko.
Wala na,
Okay,
gone
Doc,
na.
sige, maraming salamat po.
Yes. And so, obviously, as we age, we have lesser stem cells.
Yes.
Lesser stem cells means you age faster. And the older we get, the lesser stem cells and the poorer our healing will be. No? Mas matagal. So, definitely, we need something to replenish our stem cells.
repair. And
To repair,
to
yes.
replenish.
Hindi
Oo.
lamang yung damage, no? But
Yes,
also
that's true.
To repair.
Not only yung dun sa sakit yung sa punto ng iba would be
Yes,
beauty.
yes.
I know a lot of my friends do stem cell. Because they want to retard. Gusto nilang ma-delay yung
Slow down.
aging, no?
Slow down the aging.
Younger
Yes,
for a
that's
longer
true.
period of time.
That's
Correct?
true, yes.
And how does that work for beauty?
Yes, I'll go to that. Initially, what we showed you is, of course, Ali was showing the product. No, it has 14 active ingredients. No, I think out of the 14 active ingredients, most of these, the raw materials, are sourced from different countries. Specifically, we have Germany, Portugal, where we have squalene. And of course, from Asia, Taiwan, we have red ginseng from Korea. And of course, the highlight of this product, which is our deer placenta coming from the pristine, pollution-free New Zealand. So this is it. No? This has also about 3 main therapies that we are proud of. No? Ito yung stem cell therapy. And then it has DNA therapy and anti-inflammatory therapy. Each one synergistically acting together to heighten the effects, benefits of the active ingredients so that it has better effects. Okay? And of course, the most important thing, I will not be endorsing this product if it is not FDA approved. It is
That's the
approved
best.
by
Oo,
FDA.
FDA. Oo.
I have been healed by elixir placenta of my squamous cell carcinoma. As for me, kasi I'm stage 1 kasi because may lymph node nga eh. So may metastasis na ako sa lymph node. And experience-wise, nawala siya. So cancer patients, they are clinging to be healed, hoping to be healed. They try to do anything to be healed. Why not? I can say, why not try? It might do good. It might make a miracle. Pero siyempre, the very first one is prayer and trust in God. And then try to take the elixir baka sakali. So, I will, if given also the chance, I will promote Elixir to such patients.
I am Mrs. Esther Reyes from Fairview, Quezon City. I am a retired teacher. I am 74 years old.
Hi everyone, ako si April Famini, 32 years old. I am a mom of two and I'm also married with my husband.
Mary Pearl Poblete, 45 years old, cancer survivor for 11 years na.
Hindi talaga ako healthy. Marami akong concerns. Number one, meron akong pre-diabetic. No? Number two, I have plantar fascia. Yung paa ko talaga, minsan hindi ako makalakad ng maayos. Meron akong carpal tunnel. At saka yung ang knees ko talagang, my joints, my knees, lahat masakit, no? Meron akong neck pain, ang nerves dito, yan ang kinatakot ko noon eh. Kasi sinabi nila, yung nerves, umaakyat yung numbness ba. And napagsabihan ako na pag yan ay umakyat sa ulo, well, that will be fatal, no?
I was diagnosed with vasculitis last year, January 2021. And that is also the time na pregnant ako. I was 5 months pregnant when it was diagnosed. I've experienced a lot of pain. Physically, emotionally, mentally, and even my spiritual health is affected. May mga time na hindi ako nakakatulog. Kahit nakapikit ako. Ayan. Kasi andun yung thinking na, what if ganito? What if kailangan ko nang mag-undergo ng mga something very hard procedure? Yes, overthinking. Kasi I'm a mom. I'm worried kasi baka affected si baby. I'm worried baka hindi ko matuloy yung pregnancy ko. And I was so tired because of the pain.
2018 may nakapa ako. Nabukol dito sa lower abdomen ko. Lower right. Multiple large intramural fibrosis. So, ang dami ko ng concerns, ang dami kong sakit sa katawan, sa paa, naglalabasan yung varicose veins ko, yung numbness ko na tuwing hating gabi, ginigising ako. Ay, Lord, wala na yata, parang patay na yung mga kamay ko. Grabe yung menstrual flow ko. As in, sobrang ayaw mong lumabas ng bahay kasi talagang buo-buo. Kumbaga, tatagusan ka.
Diabetes ay ranging from, 110, minsan nagwa 130. Ay, ang alam ko, ang normal ng pre-diabetes is 110 to 120 lang, ganyan, no? Lalo na pagkatapos kong kumain, nag-spike up yan to 170, ganyan, 180. So that is parang alarming yun, ano? Parang kakatakot ng diabetes, ano? Sisirain niya lahat ng organs mo once diabetic ka na. No? On the first week, napag-take ko ng Elixir. I took the Elixir 1 in the morning and 1 before bedtime. Pag after yung sugar level ko, nagre-range na lang ng 115, 120, yan, naglalaro siyang ganyan. At ang nakakatuwa, pagka kumain ako ng bawal, bawal sa diabetes, para mag-spike ang sugar mo, hindi siya tumataas ng 170. Tumaas lang siya ng hanggang 130, 135.
Before po ako mag-take ng Elixir Placenta, I have two large rashes. And then, after po ako mag-take ng Elixir Placenta, I think it was like the 5th day na nawala siya. And then after that, up until now, I think I'm on my 86th day right now. And hindi po siya lumabas all throughout my journey sa Elixir Placenta. Wala pong signs of inflammation. And yun din po yung sinasabi ng doktor ko. If there's no rashes, it means the inflammation is low. And that's a good news for me.
Yung first week ko, napapansin ko na yung back pain ko nare-reduce. Sabi ko ganun, at parang okay na yung back ko, Lord. Sabi ko ganun. Parang, tapos yung frozen shoulder ko na hindi ko maitaas. Alam mo yun yung pag, igaganon mo pa. Pero ngayon, Lord, at parang, ang galing-galing niyo. Sabi ko ganun. Dito kasi ako sa right na may frozen shoulder. Siyempre, ang sakit-sakit. Yung tipong pag magsusuklay ka, hindi mo maiangat. Ganun. Tapos, nawawala. Sabi ko ganun. And then, hindi na rin ako ganun kapagod. Sabi ko, galing nito, Lord, parang 1 week pa lang. Tapos, ganyan na yung effect. Tapos, yung hair fall ko, napapansin ko na tinutubuan ako ng hairlines, ganun. And then, pag nagkaka-pimples, after 2 days, nagda-dry, yung pimples ko pa man din pag tinutubuan ang lalaki. Cystic, talagang, makita nyo lang yung before. Ay, hindi ka lalabas ng bahay. Ayaw mo lumabas kasi ang dami mo nang tigidig, tapos laki-laki pa ng tiyan mo. 3 months na akong nagtitake ng elixir. Almost all my concerns, wala na. Wala na. Yung bloated stomach ko, wala na. Ang galing-galing lang ni Lord, di ba? Nakakarampa na ako. Kaya sobrang proud ako na ang galing-galing lang ng CEO natin na nagdala nito, na naisip niya na in a capsule ilagay yung stem cell, na yung mayayaman lang dapat ang may kaya, pero pwede na nating i-intake. Kaya, saan pa tayo, di ba? Parang, Lord, andyan na. Parang hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa para magpa-inject ng stem cell kasi sa GFAX lang, ayan na, bili na lang tayo, di ba? Nandito ako kasi ako yung life testimony, living testimony ng product.
Dapat nakatatlong puti, paitim na ako ng buhok. Pero hindi eh. Yung aking buhok na puti, nagma-brown. I don't know kung kita niyo yung brown na buhok. Kita niyo. Yung puti, may lumalabas na puti. Then later on, parang nagiging brown na din siya. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, 1,001%. Very, very effective. At mag-take na lahat ng may sakit. Mag-take na. At talagang may promise ng success of recovery sa elixir. GFAX Elixir Placenta.
Laundry ko, umaabot siya ng 3 days. Pero ngayon, 1 day na lang, kinakaya ko na. Dahil malakas na ako, hindi na masyado yung pain. As in, wala na minsan. Kaya nakakaya ko na maglaba. The most priceless. Nabubuhat ko na yung anak ko. 15 kilo siya. Nabubuhat ko na siya ng matagal. Nakakapaglaro na ako with them. Na hindi ko nagagawa dati kasi lalagay ko lang yung anak ko sa crib kasi hindi ko siya kayang buhatin. Hihingalin ako kapag binuhat ko siya. We are the living proof na sobrang effective ng product na ito.
Pag hindi pa kayo gumamit ng elixir ngayon, you are missing 1/2 of your life.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, na let your food be your medicine. Diba? Hindi yung your medicine will be your food. So, habang wala pang complications sa katawan, wala pang sakit, prevention is better than cure, diba? And then, sa mga may sakit, wag ding mabahala o mag-alala kasi nakita nyo naman yung ebidensya sa amin. Talagang araw-araw binabago kami ng elixir. Kaya subukan nito.